Ever found yourself in a romantic dinner so pricey you wish you could lower your taxable income? I'm Amit Grover, and welcome to ECMP Studios, where today we explore the world of 1031 exchanges. Now, you must own a property to take advantage of a 1031 exchange. If you don't own one currently, click on the link below to teach you how to invest in your first property. For everyone else, let's dive in. If you're anything like me, then you love making your money work as hard in real estate as you do in your relationships. So let me show you how. 1031 exchanges are a sweetheart deal that allows real estate investors to postpone paying capital gains taxes at all on an investment property when it's sold, as long as another similar property is purchased with the profit gained by the sales. Now, why do you care? Every savvy investor wants to keep their money working for them as long as possible, not just to hand it over during a breakup with their property. Now, the nitty-gritty: a 1031 exchange isn't a free pass. It's like upgrading from a casual fling to a serious relationship. There are rules and timelines you must commit to. And if you play your cards right, your investment can keep growing tax-deferred. Imagine continually passing your wealth down a line of properties without paying a single dime in taxes immediately. Now that's a relationship goal. If this sounds like a relationship worth pursuing, stick around, because in the next episode, we will get into who's eligible for these exchanges. It's going to get even more interesting. Got thoughts or experiences with 1031 exchanges? Comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more insider tips on making your investments work harder. Questions? Reach out to us here at ECMP Studios. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Estate